a company called Baroka Funerals.
Yes.
After hearing what Kotato's father was saying, we as a company felt we have a responsibility to help. We are pledging to, when Kotato comes to the country, we can help the family as a receiving mortuary and do the funeral for free for them, just to help them through what they're going through.
Oh, super, Ratao, right? Super. You are from Baroka Funeral Services, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Baroka Funeral Services. Appreciate that. We'll take your details and we'll try and put you in touch with the family. We'll try and see, obviously, what we can to try and assist this family who are they're besides themselves, quite frankly. Lack of answers, lack of explanations. I appreciate you coming forward. What an incredible story. What an unbelievable time for that family. I appreciate that.
Current events, developing stories,
tough questions.
Your voice making a difference.
This is Breakfast with Bongani Bingwa.